Alright, here's another elevator here at the Monona Terrace Convention Center here in Monona, Wisconsin. Got another Schindler MT to ride. This elevator serves floors 1, 2, and 4. Skips 3. Let's go to 4. Here we go. Fan is off. Here at 4. Over there are some escalators. We'll go back down to 1. Let's get a cab view. The motor is very quiet on this elevator. Pretty much most of the elevators motors are quiet. Just like the other elevators. I just noticed something there. I'll show it just a second here. Indicator, former MT button, C's replacement. 3,500 mile capacity. 88 phone. I want to show you guys something here. We're gonna end the video at 4, and I want to show you something. This is kind of weird. Look at this. This cracking behind the cab, in the back of the cab. Look at this. You can actually see the shaft moving. Isn't that weird? You normally don't see that. You can actually see the shaft a little bit. Shaft light might be on through that gap. Okay, there it goes. And that's it.